CloudExtend Excel for Salesforce is an Excel add-in that allows you to manage your Salesforce data in Excel in 3 easy ways. First, you can upload new data such as leads, contacts, or opportunities. Second, you can manage your existing data entirely in Excel and skip all the extra steps required by the import wizards or data loader. And then third, you can actually stream your existing Salesforce reports into Excel. Here I've got a list of leads that came in from a trade show, 100 leads. And to get them into Salesforce, I've got to map them with our template tool. And we've got lots of videos on how to do that. And I simply click on Insert Update. And just like that, now 100 leads are updated into Salesforce from Excel. And here I'm going to use a data filter. So the leads that I just imported in the first example, I neglected to enter the trade show as a lead source. So I built a data filter to bring in leads that are owned by a certain rep with a certain created date. So that's going to make sure that I retrieve those 100 leads. I'll go ahead and click on download. And in just a second or so, you'll see 100 records are downloaded. And now I can use the pick list feature. So we'll make a live call out to Salesforce here. I'll change the lead source to trade show. And I'm also going to force an error here so you can see how nicely we handle error resolution. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on update. I'm going to go ahead and click on all rows, insert update. You'll see that 99 records are updated successfully. One's going to kick back with an error here, and we're going to be able to resolve this error very, very easily simply by clicking in the field. It's a pick list field. We'll click on view pick list values over here, and we'll change the appropriate rep, and then we'll go ahead and click on update. In this case, just one row, insert update, and there we go. Just like that, the errors are resolved. All 100 records are updated. So here I'm going to go ahead and choose an opportunity history report. I'll go ahead and stream that data in. Once that data is in Excel, now you can use the power of Excel to build pivot tables, charts, graphs, etc. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you save time with CloudExtend Excel for Salesforce.